Fala galera, welcome to a new episode of the Mosaic series. It's been a while since I don't post anything on that specific series related to the product itself. And in today's video, I'll be showing you a brand new feature that has been released recently. It's called Model Validation. So prior to the release of this feature, if a user wants to validate the content of a Mosaic model, if he wants to check if the data or the query itself was valid, as a user, he would have to go and create a dashboard on top of that Mosaic model. Now we have solved that issue. You can easily validate the model right inside of the Mosaic model itself. There's a new blade called Validation, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use it and how to take the best of it. So let's go. So this is a Mosaic model that I've created before. As you can see, I have 18 attributes in total, 6 base metrics, and 5 additional metrics that I've created. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the new validation blade or tab, the way you prefer to call it. And as you can see, we have specific zones here or drop zones for attributes, for metrics, and filters. So let me start with adding a couple of attributes. Let's try something like category. Yeah, I have category and subcategory. And of course, I'll be adding like a couple metrics, or maybe just one metric. Let me go here to the metrics drop zone, and let me try with net revenue. So this one, I can just easily drag and drop it here. Of course, I can apply filters if I want, but this time I don't want to. Let me go ahead and click validate. And no more need to, as you see here, to create a dashboard. Inside of the model itself, you can validate your data. You can check the net revenue for jackets and clothing. And then, of course, you can compare this against your data warehouse. If you want to compare the query generated, well, you can just go here, click the query button, and then you can see a little summary. There is also individual step start, and what actually matters for us is the select statement that got generated. You can see it here. Later, you, of course, can compare this with something, right, in your data warehouse, and you will see if that makes sense or not. Now, let me just go back here and apply a filter. Let me just choose the attributes again, and instead of choosing or seeing all these categories, let me just filter by maybe one of the categories. So let me drag category right here in the filters area. It will show me the available elements or values. So I just want to compare or see or validate electronics. I select this thing right here, click done, and then once again I generate or validate to see the results that I have here. Want to compare the query? Go ahead and click here. You can certainly see that value generated. Either the filter is being applied here, and yeah, that's pretty much how you can validate your models without the need to create a dashboard. That saves a lot of time, as you just noticed here. It helps us a lot. All right, so that was it for this one. As you just saw, it's pretty straightforward to validate your models right now in Mosaic. All you have to do is drag your attributes, drag your metrics, apply filters in case you want, and then view in the data or the underlying query. So thanks again for watching my content here. In case you're not subscribed, I strongly invite you all to subscribe to my content, and I'm always looking forward to seeing you all in the next corner.